Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Elka's YouTube channel. I am here with Luca.
Good morning, Laura. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Luca. Today we are precisely in Amsterdam at the Metstrade, which is the largest international B2B fair in the nautical world. Exactly. Innovation meets nautical excellence, so Elka couldn't be missing. We are at Elka's booth, where, in addition to the presentation of new products, the new brand has also been introduced.
Exactly. The new brand, the new logo with a new payoff, and also a new booth. We are inside the most important area of our exhibition, where we start with the stainless steel products. 316, in this case with a brushed finish, a telescopic faucet with a pull-out shower, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, a whole series of other items such as the mixer, the shut-off hand shower, and the bidet shower, also made of 316 steel with integrated water opening and closing. Also for the 316 line, our best-selling items are the shower heads with integrated water opening and closing control, in this case made of steel and aluminum, more suitable for racing boats, sailing boats, or where weight is particularly important. We then proceed to an area that has been set up as a true section of the vessel, because beyond the aesthetic part, its core business involves the use of technologies or a design highly focused on the functionality of the item. It was important, and it is important, to convey how our products differ from those for civil or residential use in terms of installation types. In this case, we can see a mixer with a remote delivery spout with the water connection coming from the bottom. Specifically, it has an eye brush finish, which is a brushed PVD finish, very durable, thus also suitable for use in outdoor environments. We then move on to the recessed shower heads without visible screws. They have springs and clips that allow for installation similar to classic recessed lights for false ceilings. It is a very quick installation, and only a thickness of 5 cm is needed between the deck and the false ceiling. Entering the shower area, we find a towel rail integrated with the handle and its lock, also allowing for maximum customization based on the size of the glass. We also find, still inside the shower area, a mixer, diverter, and one of the most compact bidets in the world. We only need 2.5 centimeters of space behind the aesthetic panel. For the fixing and connection of the pipes, you will be able to see it better from this angle. Here we have truly reached the maximum, or rather the minimum space required. And the architect or designer in this case can really unleash their creativity in a truly confined space. Another shower crystal handle, also made of brass, completely machined from solid material. Here we find another historical product from ECA, the 7090Q, which is a rising pole, with an integrated mixer. Note that there are no water passages, no walls to drill partitions, but everything is on board, let's say, of the rising pole, which also has the feature of being removable to facilitate installation or even maintenance and cleaning of the shower area. New clip-on shower heads with LED lighting. In this case, we have a cool white LED shade, but warm white, and RGB are also available. Shower column with pipes for connecting water from the floor. As I mentioned earlier, Elka has always focused on researching a mounting system anyway for installation aimed at nautical needs. Double bottoms, therefore battens, floating floors, water comes from below, the walls are free, and the mixer is integrated into the shower crown pole. Customizable dimensions. Inside we also find a diverter. The water can rise and serve the shower head. Next, we move on to the more modern, more technological part of Elka, which are the removable outdoor shower columns. The family has expanded. At first, we had a simple shower column with a base that has the water inlet always from the floor. Customer requests and the success of this type of product have led us to develop a more significant shower column with a larger diameter, still in carbon, still removable, with water mixing through a progressive cartridge. The classic 70-90 gap, a truly comfortable column, easy to use, to install, very lightweight, only 7.8 kg, which can be placed in any compartment of your boat. And then, in case one does not want to install an entire shower column, there is the option to use a handheld shower head for washing, perhaps for the tender, or where the aft beach is smaller than what is needed for the installation of such a shower column. The important thing to emphasize is that bases are somewhat like USB ports. They are standard in our family of shower columns. So we guarantee that every product is interchangeable. The base always remains the same. And above all, it will always be the same, even as we develop products in the coming years. So in case a customer wants to upgrade a product, or if they want to purchase a new product, the base will always remain the same. It is always the same and is interchangeable. On this side, we come to the latest innovations that are part of the family of removable shower columns designed for more technical use. The Servetto is a tool that uses the water supply from the shower and is handy for washing the deck. The operator can use only cold water or both hot and cold water, depending on their needs. The innovation of the year is a dissolver with a progressive cartridge that allows us to place it near hot tubs like jacuzzis, or to create water features in pools. This is adaptable with a high flow rate that provides a definitely interesting scenic effect. Use no longer needs this waterfall to serve their pool. They can easily remove it and place the shower column back in its base for its intended uses. On this display, we present another innovation, or at least the latest evolution of a product developed in collaboration with a major Italian construction site, where the goal was to create a faucet system with the key feature of having very limited thickness and a significant speed of assembly and installation, making it as quick as possible. This fastening system was born. The customer buys the product, which comes in a box that's already been tested at the company, so there's no need to worry about testing it on site. They just connect the hot and cold water pipes, and with a simple gesture, the mixers and the irrigation outlet are ready to use. On the other side, the totem, the same concept, but adapted for the dissolving area. We have a mixer, a diverter that serves the hand shower or the overhead shower, also in this case with an installation speed that is practically seamless, but adapted for the dissolving area. We have a mixer, a diverter that serves the hand shower or the overhead shower, also in this case with an installation speed that is practically seamless, always with a block, a connection, just at the disposal of the construction site, hot and cold water, fully tested at the company for the fittings and internal connections. The operator just needs to place the board in its position and the assembly is complete.
Thank you, Luca.
Thank you, Laura.
And thank you all, but please stay with us because it's going to be a long day. At the fair, where we'll also meet your clients. Exactly. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Elka, Italian design, marine faucets.